Hello and welcome to Cake. Today I'm making a healthy, gluten-free chickpea banana bread. Let's jump over to the ingredients. For this recipe, I'm using 185 grams of chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 eggs, 2 bananas, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a dash of salt, and I'm preparing everything in a loaf pan. Mine's about 9 by 3 inches. Recipe is super easy. I begin by combining all the dry ingredients, so the chickpea flour, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. And in another bowl, I'm combining all of the wet ingredients. Then I add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix. I am now preheating my oven and I've set it to 180 Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I've also prepared my loaf pan and I'm using one, as I mentioned, 9 by 3 inches, and I've lined it with parchment paper. I'm going to pour this batter in and then bake this bread for about 25 to 35 minutes. Once it's done, it's going to look like this. This bread is super delicious, especially with a little bit of butter and some honey on it. Divine. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching. See you next time.